Otherwise today I'm going to try and build a vertical antenna for 20 meters for portable, and I need 16.57 inches topside by at least that on the bottom for the counterpoists. So I got me tops. I got these off off the wing. B1 Alpha Alpha Bravo, which is awesome. And total length of what he got here that he gave me is 16 inches exactly. So I need another 5 inches, say 6 inches of play on the end. So I'm going to put my mount on the bottom of this for my coax, and then I'm going to buy a coil of wire to make up the extra couple inches of wire somewhere along the length of the antenna here. So anyways, interested in see if this contraption will work. Hang in there. We'll see what we can do with this pile of plastic and fiberglass and wire and whatever. Okay, so this is my input. SO239 bolted on. Center connector goes up the whip, and the counterpoise is going to connect to the end of this wire. It is all bolted together, so it literally goes right to the top, and a couple little extra inches I got left there. So if I could take this whole pole apart, I got quick connections. I can just pull apart here. I got one there, and I've got one here. So now got to do the counterpoise side now and test route, see what happens.
Y gracias por el people. There's about 400. Basically, farmland, cattle, or horses. Y si nada, todo por ahí, ¿no? Where's 9 the last transmission? One very noisy tonight on the band over here. A lot of activity. Yes, I wish you 7 trees, and hope you have a nice week starting tomorrow there. KD2WSWLA4UOA 73. Delta 3, un abrazo amigo. Charlie Echo 3, Lima Sierra November. Echo Sierra 5. Tango. QR good.
Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Victor Ocean 1.
Who is the other Charlie Echo? There's another Charlie Echo in Chile again. Okay, Charlie Echo 3 Yankee Papa. Charlie Echo 3 Yankee Papa. Hola Jorge, ¿qué tal? Nice signal from Santiago. Wow. Very nice. 5 and 9. 59 Jorge, over.
I'm only using one ground radio at the moment. I'm going to add more to it, I think. One's not
Roger,
cutting
Roger.
it.
Beautiful, beautiful signal from Santiago. Wow. Good band opening tonight. Thank you, sir. Nice to see you. Charlie Echo 3 Yankee Papa. Echo Sierra 5. Tango, Tango, Tango. QRZ 20 meters.
Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Victor Ocean 1.
Echo Charlie 8 Alpha Queen Queen. Hola, nice to see you, Jose. 5 and 9 plus. Over. Thank you, muchísimas gracias, José. Z3, un abrazo, amigo. Echo Sierra 5, Tango, 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 QRZ.
Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Victor Ocean 1.
Who's the Victor Oscar 1? Victor Oscar 1?
Victor Oscar 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Mike Delta Sierra.
Victor Oscar 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Good morning from Estonia. Nice signal. 5 and 7, Daryl. Over.
Roger, Roger on the 5 and 7. Echo Sugar 5, Tango, Tango, Tango. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Yeah, just wanted to get a radio checker. Just trying a vertical antenna I just put together. Just want to see if I can make it across the pond there. Over.
Well, you got it across the pond with a vertical antenna. No problem at all. 5 and 7 to 5 and 8. A lot of QRM and some QSB, but no problem. Roger?
Roger, Roger. And you're 5 and plus 20. You're plus 20 dB over here. Over.
Oh, wow. Thank you for the 20 over 9. I'm not even beaming to you, actually. I can turn the antenna a little bit closer, but I don't think the band is that good right now. Let me try to bring the antenna to see if we can copy you better on the vertical. And just let me know how much power are you running. The antenna is turning around to you. It's the whole tower rotating. So another 10 seconds and it will be on you now, Daryl. What is your power? Over.
Roger, Roger. Right now you're plus 30 dB, plus 30 dB. And power here at the moment, I'm doing roughly about 10 watts, 10 to 15 watts max. Over.
Wow, did you say 1.5?
Roger that, 1.5, 15 watts maximum. Over.
That is incredible. 15 watts in a vertical. Wow, wow, wow. You got me there. Well, you're sounding good for 15 watts across the pond with a vertical. That's really telling us that there's pretty good propagation. I'm running a very big antenna, but I don't know if you're hearing any other stations in Europe, but your signal is quite well for a vertical and 15 watts. That's very, very nice. Thank you for the call, Daryl. A pleasure. Name is Amir, Alpha Mike Italy Radio, VO1 MDS, ES5TTT.
Roger that, Amir. No problem, buddy. All the best, and you're still 30 dB, plus 30 dB here into St. John's, Newfoundland. Thank you for the contact. Much appreciated there on the old vertical. Like I say, I literally just put this thing together, and it's literally sitting on the ground here. Over.
Roger, Roger. Well, you're sounding really strong here. Thank you for the call today. All the very best to you. Enjoy. VO1 MDS, Echo Sierra 5 TTT, now with one antenna on North America. Any other North America?
7-3.
Victor Echo 2, the Victor Echo 2 again.
Vertical.
Okay, Victor Echo 2.
Sitting on the ground. Ground radio buzzing on off over there. With a 10 take Argosy on battery on 15 watts. Just got to Estonia. Ain't that nuts?